Okay, so we just woke up after a very stormy night. But yeah, all in all, a decent night. It was raining, like insane rain the whole night. Like our whole car was shaking. And I think it had to be like 10 to 12 mile per hour winds. I think maybe more, like 14. But yeah, it's a good time. We're gonna get some breakfast, freshen up, use the bathroom, do our things, and let the adventures continue. More sheep. So today we are exploring the southern coast. Stayed at Vic last night, so there's some really cool glaciers. I don't know if you can see those, but they're like right there.
Got a sheep herder up here. Herding all his little sheepies.
Got some ponies. Pretty sure this is the electric fence too, so I can't touch it. This is my little disposable camera. Okay, so we made it to this little canyon thing. I don't know what it's called. We're gonna make some lunch, make some PB&Js. How was lunch?
Very delicious, thank you.
Just made a premium triple-decker PB&J sandwich. I'll list the ingredients below. So this spot is well known here in Iceland. It's a huge canyon that goes super far back in. And the weather just cleared up for just a moment, so we're getting up here before the rain hits again, because it will. That's so cool.
So take my hand and just let go, and feel the world beneath us start to slow. Yeah, I believe we're onto something real, something real.
Careful, Logan. Logan slipped like 30 different times.
This is what happens when you hike in vans all the time.
Look.
It's like
Literally.
no grip. All the grip is in the center of my head. So right now we are just finishing up at that little canyon spot, and now we are heading off to
Diamond Beach.
Diamond Beach. Should be fun.
Logan's getting some drone shots. This waterfall over here. Look, there's this. A wild cutie. Cutie! Yep, I'm gonna marry that person someday. He's my human. Sure do love him so very much. There's this tiny little baby waterfall up here. So cute and tiny. And then there's this bigger one over here. It's really pretty and majestic. Oh, there it goes. How'd it look?
So cool.
Really?
Up there, there's like a whole big wide open green valley and another waterfall.
Whoa.
So cool.
This is like Paradise Falls from Up situation right here. Look at that. Wow.
That is
That is so pretty.
helicopter right over here would be so insane.
Yeah, it would. So crazy.
It's like straight out of like Lord of the Rings,
Yeah.
straight out of like Star Wars and The Hobbit.
Like, look at this rainbow. So pretty. Oh my word.
So we passed some really cool glaciers back there. I think Joy kind of got some shots of them, but I've never seen glaciers before this trip, and they are one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Okay, so we stopped here so I could take a picture of these glaciers, and it's pretty stormy still, so it's kind of raining, but I don't really care. I just want to get one picture of the glacier because they're just the coolest thing. Wild, like, forms of nature, you know? You know? I'll show you guys some video of what it looks like with my nicer camera, but wow. So insane. Wow. Look how insane this is. One of the coolest landscapes I've ever seen. I'm calling Joy because she needs to see this. Look at that.
Hello?
Hey, you should definitely come down here because it is insane.
Wait, so just go up the hill?
Yeah, so go up the hill and you'll see a little walkway that comes down here. Bring a warm jacket because it's kind of cold, but it is so cool. There's like blue ice and it's just, oh.
Okay.
Bye. Sun setting over there. Amazing. There's Joy.
Super cool. Take a picture.
Ice. Okay, we just arrived at our final destination for today, which is the Diamond Beach. So we're gonna go scope this out. We made it. Oh, so cold. Wow. So many small details. Wow. Here's a cool one. Look how gnarly this, I don't know if you can hear me, but look how gnarly that riptide is. If you don't know what a riptide is, it's when the tide, like, see how it's like flowing backwards? So you get stuck in that, that thing's gonna take you out there. And with how cold this water is, you are not gonna be making it back. So crazy. Oh yeah, my foot got underwater too. It's cold. Whoa. Okay, so we're finally back here after a 2-hour drive back to Skogafoss. Just making some noodles again. Yeah, things are looking good. Everybody's happy.